Hi, JD here, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick one. So last week I did a quick video on comparing lease versus PCP for the BMW M140, and I had a few requests come in for the PCP spreadsheet, so that's great. Email me here if you'd like details on how to obtain a copy. This quick video is me showing you an update which I've just made today to the spreadsheet, so we're now on version 3. And that was suggested by one of my viewers, so thank you very much, Steve. And he came up with a really good idea. If we have a look at the spreadsheet here, I'll just show you the previous tab. So when you put in the details, if you want to know, for example, what your settlement figure is going to be at the end of a certain month, the previous version, and the one that many of my viewers have now got, only lists month number. And also when you want to VT, if you want to get an idea of when you can voluntarily terminate on the agreement, again it will say after 23 months. So Steve had a really good idea, a really good suggestion. Could we actually know what month of the agreement that's going to be? So I had a quick play today, and this is unreleased yet, but I just wanted to show it to you. Essentially what I've done, I've added a few things. So I've added a starting month field. And then when you put that starting month value in, as well as giving you the month number, it will also give you the month and year on the settlement table. And it will also, as well as giving the month number at which you can voluntarily terminate, it will also give you the month as well. So if I just give you a quick example, let's say we've got an agreement of 35,000, we've got a deposit of 12,000. Oh, this is something else I've added recently as well, which I have already sent out to you guys, and that's a separate dealer deposit contribution field. Rather than having to add our own deposit to the dealer deposit contribution, I've separated them into two fields. So let's say you put a 12 grand deposit in and the dealer deposit contribution is 1,500. Guaranteed future value, let's say it's, I don't know, 13.5. Now this is the new field that I've added, the starting month. So let's say we were going to take the agreement out, say this month. So the first payment is going to come out a month later. So I'm going to just put in there January 2020. You can see straight away in the table, after the first month, it's giving us February 2020, but it doesn't know the length of the agreement yet. So if I now, let's say this is a 48-month agreement, so let's say it's what I call a term minus one, so that's 48 months minus one, with month 48 being the guaranteed future value field, if you like. So I'm going to put 47 months in there. Let's say it's an APR of 3.9. You can see now that as well as giving the normal information, the monthly figure, etc., it's also now telling me, look, that as well as telling me that after 26.79 payments we could effectively voluntarily terminate, providing we've met certain criteria, as you know, it also now tells me the following whole month after, because obviously you couldn't 26 months, if you like, would be April 2022. So I've made it so it adds the next full month on, and this is telling me that we could technically voluntarily terminate on this agreement if we were to start today, if you like, at May 2022. And as well as that, I've also added that to the fields here as well. So if you want to say, oh, roughly what would it cost to settle in April 2021, you don't have to go, oh, well, how many months is that from today? You can just see that we've now got a month column and it says April 2021 there. Okay, so that's all it is. I just wanted to touch base with you, and again to thank Steve for his really useful contribution. I will be sending an updated version out to all of you who've already subscribed to the spreadsheet very shortly, hopefully by tomorrow, so that's the 7th of January. And I'll see you next time for a new updated video. Thanks for watching.